Want to calculate percentages in your Google Sheets? I'm here to help. I'm Limon, and in this video I'll show you how to calculate percentages in Google Sheets in multiple scenarios. Now let's get started.
First, open your Google Chrome web browser. In the top right corner, click on the grid icon. From the drop-down, click on Sheets. Now open your document. Now let's look at our first example. Suppose you want to calculate each employee's contribution to total sales. To do that, click on the cell where you want the percentage to appear and type equals. Then select the employee's sales cell. Next, type a slash, which means divide. After that, select the total sales cell and press enter. You'll notice a small pop-up asking if you want to autofill the rest of the column. Go ahead and click the checkmark icon and Google Sheets will automatically apply the formula to the rest of the rows. Now select the entire column where your results are. Then go up to the menu bar and click the percentage icon. And just like that, your numbers are now displayed as percentages. If you don't want to show numbers after the decimal point, simply click the decrease decimal places icon until the format looks the way you want. Alright, now let's look at another scenario. Suppose you want to calculate the percentage score of students. Click on the cell where the result should appear and type equals. You might see a small suggestion box with possible calculations. You can choose one if it fits, but in this example, we'll type the formula ourselves. First, select the student's total score, then type a slash. Now select the maximum possible score and press enter. Just like before, you'll see the autofill suggestion. Click the check mark to apply the formula to the rest of the rows. Next, select the whole column and click the percentage icon in the toolbar. Now the student scores are displayed as percentages, and again, if you want fewer decimal places, just click decrease decimal places. Now let's look at one more example. Imagine your employees earn a 10% commission on every sale. To calculate that, select a cell and type equals. Now select the sales amount and add a multiplication sign. Type 10, add a percentage sign and hit enter. Again, click the checkmark icon to autofill the formula for the rest of the rows. And there you go, the commission amounts have been calculated automatically. So those are three simple ways to calculate percentages in Google Sheets depending on what you're working with.